So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. Today I will discuss about how to make a human following robot using Arduino. Here, I will show you the complete procedure of making a human following robot, including the circuit connection and the Arduino code. So take a quick look to the components and let's see how to make this. First of all, take this 4-gear DC motors of 300 RPM and then connect the wires in the DC motor. Once you have done this, take a wooden board like this and then fix all the DC motors at the 4 ends of the wooden board. Now take the wheels and connect them with the DC motors. Now, you have to make the circuit as per the circuit diagram shown on the screen. Take the Arduino Uno and fix it in the middle of the robot. Again, take the l293d motor driver shield and connect it with the Arduino Uno. Connect all the DC motors with the motor driver one by one. Once you have done this, take the servo SG90 and fix it in the robot. Connect the servo pins in the motor driver. Now, take the ultrasonic sensor and fix it on the servo. Also, take these two IR sensors and fix them in the robot. connect all the pins of ultrasonic sensor and IR sensor with the pins of motor driver. Do the connection as I instructed in the screen. Now, you have to give the power supply to the robot. Here, I use 2 lithium-ion batteries to give the supply to the motor driver. Finally, connect the Arduino with your computer and follow the steps what I do. Go to your Arduino IDE software and open the following code. Now go to the tools and then select the port and Arduino type. Finally, upload the code to the Arduino.